5 reasons to invest in Smithfield House. 1. Birmingham is booming. Birmingham is a city on the up. Prices are forecast to rise 18.5% by 2027, while rents are set to increase 19.3% in the same period. This means ever-increasing returns for buy-to-let investors. 2. Smithfield Regeneration Master Plan. Smithfield House is likely to outperform the market trend. It's part of a £2.4 billion regeneration programme, incorporating leisure, culture and public spaces that will drive up demand for property in this area. 3. Amazing on-site amenities. Inside, the facilities really are first class. There's a concierge, gym, cinema and roof terrace, even a workspace and meeting rooms, and all with the city centre just minutes away. 4. Top-of-the-range luxury property. The properties themselves don't disappoint either. Prices start from £219,950 for a one-bed apartment with high-spec finishes and a real sense of style, plus panoramic views from the more elevated units. 5. An investor-friendly payment plan. Last but not least is the stage payment structure. Secure a unit with just a 5% deposit, then pay 1% monthly for 30 months, with mortgages available on completion subject to status. Interested? This is a really strong all-round package. If you'd like to discuss any aspect of the investment or to receive a brochure, floor plans and more information, take the first step by registering with Elite Realty Invest.